You think we should go inside and get some food right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
While on a trip to New York City, I had to go to Chinatown for its incredible food and culture. There are places you can grab fresh noodles and seafood, but I came today for the
Duck.
I had to come to the Peking Duck house in Chinatown, where their specialty is Peking Duck. Thankfully, I came with an empty stomach. I'm pretty anxious to eat, and it looks like Madeline is also. We just ordered our food. I can't wait. I am so starving right now.
But I didn't make any sound.
No, you made lots of crunching sounds. I think the crispiness of the skin is that nice added contrast from the soft like pancake. Oh my goodness.
Where's Justin from? Where's Justin from?
Now Mike, what do you give this duck out of 10? 10? Okay. We now leave satisfied and happy. A great experience in New York City's Chinatown. Until next time.